Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. I need to reach 1k subscribers within a month. You can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. You can see how the dimensions are mentioned in the mm. The base dimension is 120 65 and height is 20 mm. For that, select new metric standard mm, create, select 2D sketch, select plane, here select center rectangle, give the dimension 120, this is 65 mm, finish sketch, extrude, select mid plane symmetric, give the dimension 20 mm, click OK. So base has created. Now I will create this top line. That dimension is 37 mm width and height is 50 minus 20 mm, 30 mm height and width is 65. Select this surface, sketch, select rectangle 2 points, give the dimension 37 mm, finish sketch, select extrude up to 30 mm, click OK. Now you can see there are two cutouts, one is 50 mm and height is 60, depth is through all. For that, select this surface, sketch, select the 2-point rectangle, give the dimension, height is 6 mm, this is overall, length is 50 mm. Select the vertical constraint, sketch is fully constrained, you can see here bottom, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, selected remove material automatically, cut material. So here select through hole, click OK. One more cutout top side, that is dimension is one side 38 mm and another size is 25 mm, depth is 10 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, select line, select vertical constraint and give this line, give the dimension, this is 25, this is 38, select the vertical horizontal constraint, same this also, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extruded, reverse the direction, give the dimension is 10 mm. click OK. Next you can see there is a one slot cutout. For that, select this surface, sketch. Slot cutout dimension is diameter 16 mm and 20, slot length is 20 mm. Select slot, give the dimension 16 mm. Select, give the dimension from here to here 20, and overall length is also 20. So select the horizontal constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch. Select extruded, reverse the direction, through hull, click OK. Next you can see there is a one hole that diameter is 10 mm and dimension is 20 mm. This dimension is center of the object. Select this surface, sketch, select point, give the dimension here to here 20. Select the horizontal constraint, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch. Select hole feature, select simple hole that is diameter is 10 mm, click OK. Through hull, click OK. You can see top side there is a M6 two holes that depth is 18 mm, pitch is 44 mm, and from the side dimension is 12 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select point, give the dimension here to here 12. Select the horizontal constraint, vertical constraint, so give the dimension here to here 44 mm and center point to here 22. Sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch. Select hole feature, select threaded hole, here select isometric profile, select size M6, select here dimensions, distance, select hole size is 20, tap depth is 18 mm. So two tapped holes has created. I think all the features are added. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment. Now you can assign the material. Select here, select, I will go with aluminum. All the materials here friends, like rubber, metal, steel, everything, all the materials here only. So I will go with aluminum 6061. This material is used generally to do the machining components. We can assign the finishing here. So normally use aluminum dark, aluminum polished, aluminum cast, anodized black. So these are all the aluminum polishes. So better looking I will go with. So that's it friends. Save the part. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video friends.